here with CSS Man. He did prepare a little bit too hard for this demo and he hurt his knee, but today we're going to be... What are you going to be teaching us about today, CSS Man?
We're going to be talking about the smoke detectors. They look simple. They're a very important life safety device for the home, and we're going to go over all the details.
Okay.
So the key benefits are this smoke detector will set the alarm up whether the alarm is armed or not. Most importantly, it sends the authorities through central monitoring, whereas regular smoke detectors don't do that.
CSS Man language, that means you're not guessing where the danger is?
Exactly. And the last final benefit is that there's no mystery chirping.
Careful with that. Every time you grab a tool, something dramatic happens.
This time it'll be different. Okay, install protocols. When mounting these smoke detectors, they must go high up on the ceiling or high up on the wall, because smoke, as you know, rises. Also, you want to be, a distance from the kitchens and areas like that, just in case to prevent any falsings. And most importantly, after you install them, you have to test it on the panel and make sure that it gets the signal. So that way you're fully protected.
Let the viewers see how it's done.
Okay.
Gently.
I'm always gentle. Okay, so we're going to do a test, and this will give you an audible beep, and it'll report to the panel, so that way we can make sure everything's communicating properly. Also essential.
Okay, folks, that was your first lesson in CSS Man Super Tech. Smoke detectors may look small, they are an integral part of any alarm or security system.
That's right. Every home needs a smoke detector. It's very, very important for life safety devices.
So if you want a security system without the stunt work, call or text 561-285-2780. We are always there for you.
And don't forget, stay safe and secure.